So today I just wanted to talk a little bit about this toolbox, what the quality is, and I'm also going to be filling this with tools. So first we just open it up just like that, and it looks like the top just kind of stays there like that. And obviously you could lift this part out and then go into the bottom section of this. So my previous toolbox broke, so we're going to be switching out or putting all my tools in this one and showing you guys what that looks like. And also just closing this and locking it, pretty simple. And it has this right here if you wanted to like put a lock on your toolbox. And we just pop this open just like that and remove the bottom part. So my old one, top just came off, back part's a little bit broken. So just going to be moving all this stuff over here just to show you guys, and also maybe just trashing some stuff I no longer need. So let's see, gloves in case I'm doing something that might be a little bit too dirty or sensitive for skin. Let's see, tape, I'm just gonna have some tape and just extra set right there. Wiring, will that still be able to close? Okay, I have a slight problem. I have too much to actually fit in here. So we're gonna have to be a little bit pickier with what we actually stack at the bottom. Extra screwdrivers. Let's see, there we go. Yeah, I put my more frequently used stuff at the top, which I'm sure most people do. All right, are we good here? And I did pack it pretty tight, so there we go. All right, so it is stuffed and ready to go.